So let me tell you about that special minestrone soup I just made today. I made a pot about so big, a big one. So yesterday, we went to the market, the Talon market. It's really in the Italian region here of Montreal. And so I was buying this little cabbage here for $3. And so as I'm buying that from Roberto, he comes over with this smaller little cabbage like that and give it to me for free. And he says, "This is for the soup." "Ah, yeah, okay, thank you so much." He goes, "For the minestrone soup, right?" And then he started telling me how to make it. And then of course I continued to ask more questions, and as I was so interested, he was happy to share even more. So he says, "You put the onion." Now quantity, I'll tell you right now, he never gave me quantity. And the thing is that depending, I made a big pot. And then depending of the quantity that you make, a little bit less or a little bit more of this. Stop measuring everything, like it's gonna be good. It's gonna be fine. Just trust yourself. So you put the onion in your pot with some extra virgin olive oil. So you put the onion, the celery, the garlic, and he says the pork. Oh, I did the pork. Yes, he says you put the pork, little chop, small pieces, but he said you put the fat, you put the skin, everything. So, wow, I had pork chops in my freezer, so got them out yesterday, unfroze them. So I just took some of 2 pork chop, chop, put all the fat, and I also put the bones in the pot, so it cooked all together. So you cook all of that, just the onion, the celery, garlic, and the pork, salt, pepper, of course. You cook that for 15-20 minutes, just that on its own, to make sure that the flavors are all mixed here and cooked. So when this is ready, 20 minutes, you add the stock, chicken stock, and some herbs, some bay leaf. The Italian herbs, really, if you have oregano, basil, thyme, just put some of that. A little bit more, a little bit less, doesn't matter, as you like. So you put that with the stock and continue to cook for another half an hour. And then after half an hour, you can add carrots, you add the cabbage, yes, and also some tomato. I put a can of tomato, diced, and I put a can of tomato sauce. So let it cook another maybe 1 hour probably after that. So now that house smelled so amazing. Of course you add the red kidney beans as well at the same time as you add the tomato and the carrots. Red kidney beans as well. And we know that the Italians normally they put a handful of some pasta in the minestrone soup. It's very nice, but we left that aside because we try to stay low carb, so the taste is just so amazing anyway. So here is our beautiful minestrone soup. Now we top it up with some Parmesan cheese and with some parsley here, and to serve it, just adding a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. It's the best. So, et voilà, Roberto's minestrone soup. Bon appétit!